Hello, welcome to Simple Answers. I'm your host Jason. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix Android phone not charging. The first thing that I would suggest, although it sounds simple and you might overlook it, would be to use probably a toothbrush or so on, or you can use a video on YouTube on how to clean the charging port. If you have done that and you have tried a second charger adapter and you see that it is still not working, well, the other step that I would recommend is that you tap on the power button right on the side of your phone right here, and you'll simply press down on the power button. And when you press down on the power button, you're going to slightly tap on the power off, and you will see it goes into safe mode. Once in safe mode, you want to try again with the charger and see if it starts charging. If it doesn't start charging right there, well, you'll need to go into settings. And once in settings, you're going to scroll down and you're going to tap on general management right here. Then you're going to tap on reset. And I would recommend that you tap on reset all settings and reset accessibility settings and then try again. If after doing all of these steps it is still not working, well, probably the best suggestion would be to replace the charging port overall. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.